Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Windows PC Health Check Setup Error Code 2503 on Windows 11. If you are trying to install or uninstall the PC Health Check tool and you get a pop-up saying the installer has encountered an unexpected error installing this package, this may indicate a problem with this package. Don't worry, I have got you covered. This error happens because of one main reason: permission problems with the Windows installer or the temp folders used during setup. Sometimes it also appears when you are not running the installer with full admin privileges. Let's go through the best ways to fix it step by step. Press Windows R, type C2/Windows/temp and press Enter. When the folder opens, right-click anywhere inside it, choose Properties, then go to the Security tab. Click Edit, then make sure your user account has full control checked. Do the same for system and administrators, then hit Apply and OK. Now repeat the same process for your user's temp folder. Press Windows R again, type %temp% and hit Enter. That opens your user's temporary files folder. After fixing permissions, restart your computer and try running the PC Health Check installer again as administrator. If you're still seeing the error, there might be an issue with the Windows installer service itself. Let's reset it. Press Windows R, type services.mac, and press Enter. Scroll down and find Windows Installer. Right-click it, choose Stop. Wait a few seconds, then click Start again. If it was disabled, change its startup type to manual or automatic, then click OK. If nothing has worked so far, the problem might come from corrupted system permissions or missing files. To do that, open Command Prompt as administrator and type SFC/scannow. Let it finish scanning and repairing system files. Once that's done, type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. This will fix deeper system corruption issues. When both commands are complete, restart your computer. Finally, make sure your Windows is up to date. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Microsoft sometimes pushes updates that fix these types of installer permission issues. Once you have done these steps, the PC Health Check setup should run smoothly without any errors. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more Windows Fix videos, and comment below which method worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.